Hey everybody! Yes, I'm working with the new vlogging camera now, finally, after 3 years almost. Yay! However, tomorrow we're going into a 5-star hotel in Jandia, or is it Jandia or Mohabla? Okay, one of those places. However, I'm really excited and I want you guys to join us. And yeah, I'm going to show you around the hotel and everything. I'm so excited. Yay! However, it's late and I'm going to say good night. Bye. Okay. Like I was gonna fall off of that thing. Hey everybody, so here we are. We have arrived at the Rio Hotel, and I don't know. My first impression is so la la, basically. I guess I'll get more of an impression when I see our room and get a feel of the hotel, but I must say I'm not too impressed with the entrance of the hotel. I kind of expected a bit of a grand entrance, but however, we'll see. So stick around. All right. Hey everybody, so here we are. This is our view. It's actually not what I thought it would be, but okay, I'm gonna make the best out of it, I promise. It's nice. It's cool in our room at least, so let's just hope dinner is also good. So I'm going to go to the store because I don't know, this place is lacking snacks here, and there's no snacks. So we're gonna go to the store and get some snacks. And oh, another thing, we went down to the receptionist desk and we wanted to get some towels, some beach towels, and they tell us, oh, sorry, there's no more beach towels, you'll have to take your towel. And I'm like, huh? Are you serious? And I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna rate this hotel a 4 up to now. It is definitely not a 5-star. I've been to 5-star and this ain't 5-star quality. But however, guys, I don't want to complain. We want to make the best out of it. Take some nice pictures and nice videos, show you guys some nice views. There is a nice view, so I'll show you guys later. Okay, see you in a bit. Don't go nowhere.